What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're going to go over Vechain, guys. Currently sitting at 0.076. There's something I want to show you guys here on the daily. We're sitting at negative 0.33 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.87 billion, 24-hour volume, 269 million. Let's hop into it, guys. Vechain, here's the 1 hour chart. So there's a few things I want to show you guys. We have a bullish divergence. I was looking at this on the 4 hour as well. We created a low, we've created a lower low, we've created a higher low on the 1 hour RSI. Falling wedge pattern, 4 hour RSI. Same thing, guys. We're creating lower lows, we're creating higher lows on the RSI, signifying to us that the bearish trend is running out of strength. As I've been mentioning over the last few videos here, we have our falling wedge pattern. You could also say we have a much larger falling wedge taking place here. Here's your level of resistance. Here's your level of support where you come down to bullish reversal pattern. You come down into the pattern, you hit support, you hit resistance, you hit support, you hit resistance, you hit support. Boom, you break out back to the upside. It can break down, guys, but it is a bullish pattern. So just something I wanted to make you guys aware of. So there's something I want to show you guys here on the daily. People are getting really bearish, just as we did over our summer crash right here. So what I want to show you guys is I've taken my Fibonacci from this swing low up to our swing high, inverted fib. You can see we're holding the support of the 786. So what were people doing right here, guys? They were screaming bear market. They were extremely bearish. Sell everything. We're going into the bear, and we bounce back up to the upside. So check this out, guys. We're going to take our Fibonacci from our crash low up to our swing high. I'm going to pull this out, quickly remove this. So where did we bounce, guys? Right off the 0.786 extension. What are we doing right now? Holding support of the 0.786 extension. People are extremely bearish. Sell everything. We're going into a bear market. Of course, that's a possibility, guys, but we have to come down. We have to lose this low. And then I said, okay, we're going to go into a bear market. But as of right now, we're holding the 0.786, just as we did right here. We're holding the 0.786. And we bounced back to the upside. We saw a massive breakout. Everyone was screaming bear market when Vechain was all the way down at about 0.057. But if you were buying, if you were dollar cost averaging, you absolutely crushed it. And we had a nice juicy pump here. 181% for Vechain. As I've been saying in all my videos, you don't just go straight down. Even if we don't break this high, guys, what you do is you come down, you bounce, you hit resistance, you roll over, and you bounce once again. You never just go straight down, and you never just go straight up. It works in waves. You can see we're completely oversold on the daily. We have had the bearish cross of the EMAs just as we did here. So do watch for that, guys. We can start hitting them as resistance. Yes, if we do come down and break this low, I will start to flip bearish here. But until then, we're holding the 0.786. And if we can bounce, we can break out of this pattern. We get back above the EMAs. Then we're good to go for continuation. But if we do come down, guys, and we break this low, that's when we can start heading down to the 1.618, which is coming in at 0.026. Of course, it will work in waveforms. It won't just come straight down. But I do think we have a good opportunity to bounce off this level, which is coming in about 0.028 for Vechain. We've almost come down to our second buy zone, which is at the bottom of our wick here. And as you can see, that lines up with our Fibonacci. If we go swing low up to our swing high, you can see the 0.786 is actually coming in at about 0.073. So you could buy in at that level as well. Not financial advice. Use your own discretion, of course. But that does give us a beautiful opportunity to bounce for VET. All right, guys, we have our bull run targets based off our Elliott wave theory. I'm going to quickly remove this here. What you do is you take your Fibonacci from the previous high down to the crash low, and it gives you your targets for your next impulsive wave here. So we have the 1.618 coming in at 0.090, the 2 extension at 188, and the 2.272 at 315. But our targets are in between 90 cents and $1.88. And with our Elliott wave theory, you have 3 impulsive waves and 2 corrective waves. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, impulsive wave 5, up to your bull run target for VET. So that's it for this one, guys. If you do want access to our DCA charts, they're here in the Discord. We also have 1,000 members talking all things crypto. If you want to join a community of like-minded investors and traders, it's the price of a coffee, and you get access to the strategy as well as those charts. All right, much love. Take care.